Welcome to episode 2 of Australian Freight Railways, where we delve deep into the colossal world of the Pilbara Iron Giants, the massive iron or trains operating in Western Australia's remote outback region. This remote region in Western Australia stands as a global powerhouse for iron ore mining and export, supported by an extensive network of heavy-haul railways that connect numerous mines to key coastal ports. Key operators like Rio Tinto, BHP, Fortescue Metals Group, and Roy Hill each manage their own dedicated railway lines, handling the immense volumes of iron ore produced in the Pilbara. The Pilbara Rail Network spans approximately 2,782 kilometers of standard gauge track at 1,435 millimeters, specifically engineered to handle the immense loads of these heavy-haul operations day after day. These incredible trains can exceed 7 kilometers in length, carrying over 500 wagons loaded with more than 40,000 tons of iron ore across the harsh desert terrain. A notable world record was set back in 2001 by a BHP Billiton train, measuring an astonishing 7.3 kilometers long with 682 cars and a staggering gross weight of 99,734 tons. Rio Tinto operates the Hamersley and Road River Railway, Australia's largest privately owned rail network stretching about 1,700 kilometers, connecting 18 mines to the ports of Dampier and Cape Lambert. BHP manages the Goldsworthy and Mount Newman railways, totaling over 1,342 kilometers, efficiently linking its extensive mines to the crucial export hub of Port Hedland. Fortescue Metals Group, known as FMG, operates its own railway to Port Hedland, including a significant 143-kilometer extension to its Solomon Railway completed in 2021. Roy Hill runs a dedicated 344-kilometer railway, directly connecting its Roy Hill mine through the rugged outback to Port Hedland for export. A groundbreaking innovation transforming the Pilbara is Rio Tinto's AutoHaul system, recognized as the world's first fully autonomous heavy-haul railway technology. This $940 million investment fully automates iron ore transport across the network, with all trains monitored and controlled remotely from Perth, over 1,000 kilometers away. The AutoHaul system has significantly boosted operational efficiency, increased scheduling flexibility, and effectively reduced bottlenecks throughout the entire transport process. The major ports of the Pilbara serve as critical gateways, facilitating the massive flow of iron ore into global trade routes worldwide. Port Hedland, the world's largest bulk export port by tonnage, is primarily utilized by BHP, FMG, and Roy Hill for their iron ore shipments. Dampier stands as another significant industrial port, handling iron ore alongside LNG and salt exports, boasting an impressive annual iron ore loading capacity of 140 million tons. Cape Lambert primarily serves Rio Tinto, supporting its enormous iron ore export operations with specialized loading facilities right at the port. The economic significance of the Pilbara iron ore industry to Australia's economy cannot be overstated, driving substantial national revenue. In fiscal year 2023, Western Australia's resources sector generated a massive $248 billion in sales, with iron ore alone contributing a staggering $139 billion to that total. Pilbara ports handle approximately 80% of Australia's iron ore trade volume and an impressive 43% of the world's total seaborne iron ore trade. Despite its remarkable success, the Pilbara rail operations must contend with unique and formidable environmental and logistical challenges. Extreme weather conditions, including summer temperatures averaging over 30 degrees Celsius, powerful cyclones, and occasional heavy rainfall, can severely disrupt operations and damage vital infrastructure. Maintaining rail infrastructure in such remote Pilbara locations presents significant logistical difficulties, often requiring specialized access methods and leading to potential delivery delays. Track stability remains a key concern, as excessive train braking force, especially from electric braking systems, can cause rail creep and long-term track damage over time. Yet, despite these formidable hurdles, the Pilbara iron ore railways remain absolutely essential for supplying the global steel industry with vital raw materials. They ensure the efficient transportation of iron ore from the heart of the Australian outback mines directly to the ports and ultimately to markets around the world. The Iron Giants of the Pilbara truly stand as a testament to exceptional engineering prowess and masterful logistical operations in one of the harshest environments. Their relentless, continuous operation fuels steel industries across the globe, establishing them as a vital cornerstone of international commerce and supply chains. This has been a greeting from your YouTube channel, European Train Driver. Please subscribe and like the video.